At Phonak, it has always been our dream to ensure that words are heard clearly, even in a world of noise. But this dream of speech clarity and noise has been limited by the constraints of processing power. The capabilities to unleash the full potential of AI technology just didn't exist until now. For the first time ever, we've broken this technological barrier by developing our own proprietary chip architecture, Deep Sonic. Designed to separate speech from noise, it is 53 times more powerful than current industry standards. It's so powerful, it enables a deep neural network with 4.5 million neural connections to instantly separate speech from noise like never before, for speech clarity from any direction. We've put this breakthrough technology into the new Phonak Audeo Sphere Infinio. It's the world's first hearing aid with a dedicated AI chip, unlocking an unprecedented 10 decibel signal-to-noise ratio improvement, providing a level of clean and clear speech far beyond any existing technology. The benefit is that wearers will be 2 to 3 times more likely to understand speech in any direction. Clearer speech allows to focus on what's relevant. And when clearer speech is heard, wow. No wonder 10 out of 10 hearing care professionals reported Audeo Sphere delivered an outstanding listening experience. Yes, every single one. What's in a word? Everything. Unlock a world of possibilities with the new Audeo Sphere, part of the Infinio range. Phonak, life is on.